That's good, Ramona. Put it in the background. Put the sign in the background. Yeah, in the BG. I love the BG. Chemicals, 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 chemicals. What are chemicals? Are they things you have in a lab in a jar that say chemical on them? Well, yes. But if that's all you think chemicals are, then you need to know your chemicals. Turns out the stuff in the jar is a chemical, but the jar itself also made of chemicals. The table I'm putting it on, made of chemicals. My lunch, chemicals. Roller skate, chemicals. My jacket, chemicals. This guitar, chemicals. My shoe, chemicals. This watch, chemicals. This fish, chemicals. 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 Me, chemicals. You, chemicals. Ramona, chemicals. No, I said your chemicals. Never mind. This is it. The periodic table of the elements. All matter in the universe is made up of these pure elements. They go together in different ways to make up everything. All matter. Think of it like building blocks. These little atoms are some of the elements on this periodic table. You got 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, bam, you got a water molecule. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, hey, it's carbon dioxide. 2 carbon, 2 oxygen, 4 hydrogen, skadoosh, vinegar. 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, hey, that's salt. All matter in the universe is just the stuff on here combining into these. And now, you know your chemicals. Sugar. Yeah!
My name is Phil, and I take your everyday science experiments and do them big. This is Science Max, Experiments at Large.